Nike? Why am I saying Nike? Do I think I'm an American? Like, do I think I'm American? I should not be saying Nike. I don't know where that came from, because I don't say Nike, I literally say Nike. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm the Capxvino. For you guys out there that don't know who I am, I create fashion, lifestyle and trainer content. So yeah, I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is good. I'm just happy. I'm in such a happy mood. The fact that the sun is shining, we've got such good weather. For people that live outside the UK, actually, the UK has such miserable weather all year round, and when it hits summer, like, we have like a few hot days and then it just goes back to normal. So the fact that the sun has been out this bank holiday weekend, but also a few days after bank holiday weekend, has been amazing, because being able to go outside, being able to enjoy the sun, and also the outside is open, or should I say the inside. The UK can finally sit down in restaurants, dine in, and yeah, it feels like we're going back to normality slowly. Anyways, going forward with the video, I am back with another trainer unboxing. I love these type of videos. I just love showing you guys the trainers that I pick up, showing them in more detail, and just showing you guys more of the trainer, just in case you guys potentially want to buy them, and also for people that just love trainers like me, just to see what the trainer looks like up close and personal. So the trainers that I will be showing today are the Rust Pink Jordan 3s. I am so happy about these trainers. Like, as soon as I saw pictures of them surfing the web, I knew I had to get myself them. And thankfully, Offspring, shout out Offspring, literally they're always giving me wins. Like, I actually love them, like, I can't explain. They're always literally doing your girl nice. So yeah, shout out Offspring. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So obviously I had to get my hands on these because I had no Jordan 3s in my collection. Before these Jordan 3s, I did win another pair from Offspring as well. Let me just show you them before I get talking about these ones, 3s that I got. And when I tell you they were the first, like, these were the first ever Jordan 3s in my collection. There's been so many Jordan 3s that I wanted to purchase, but obviously just luck didn't come my way and I wasn't able to get them. The fact that Offspring niced me with this pair for my first ever Jordan 3, I couldn't be happier. Such a lovely shoe, so minimal, goes with so much stuff. The lighting just isn't doing these trainers any justice, but if you want to see a more in-depth review on these, then be sure to let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's go back to the Rust 3s and get right into it. So going back to the Rust Pink Jordan 3s, I feel like Rust Pink gets a bit hyped about and a bit buzzed about within the trainer industry, because obviously it's Rust Pink. Like, it's not really a colour that you see often within trainers. And listening to like several podcasts, searching about trainers and just my knowledge of trainers, the last time I saw Rust Pink on any trainer was on the Air Jordan 1 Rust Pink. And I remember, I think they dropped in like 2017, but they only dropped on a like boat party kind of thing, of what I can remember. They only dropped on there, so if you were a part of that like party, boat, whatever, then that's the only way you'd be getting the pair. And I know, like, looking on StockX and other trainer websites, the Jordan 1 Rust Pink have literally gone up in price like crazy. Like, I remember listening to a podcast not long ago and they're nearly like £5,000, which is a bit crazy. I don't think I could come to paying £5,000 on a pair of trainers. But on the upper of the shoe, you've got the Rust Pink you've got this muted rust pink colour. On the toe box of the shoe and on the back of the shoe, you have the famous historical elephant kind of print, which I feel like gives a crazy effect to the shoe all over, obviously because it's mixed with the grey colour as well. Just makes the shoe come together more, I feel. Sorry if this is not really focusing. I will try and put more detailed shots of the shoe before this video starts, but yeah, absolutely love the effect. Love the fact that the pink contrasts so well with the grey. Moving on to the sole. The sole obviously has, the sole literally just looks like any other Jordan 3. Obviously it's red here and then it says Jordan. Another thing that I don't mind it, but I would love if it was like the original 3s that used to come out. But Nike did used to put a Nike Air logo at the back of their shoes, but I think starting in like the early 2000s they started changing it to a Jumpman logo instead, which is okay, I suppose. Like, it doesn't look too bad, but I just feel like as a sneakerhead I would prefer if it said Nike Air instead. But yeah, the fact that they've embroidered it just gives a really luxurious feel to the shoe and look to the shoe. Along with that, you also have like the red elements which you see at the back, you see at the front with the Jordan Jumpman logo, and then also like the eyelets of where the laces go as well. Literally, I feel like the red and pink contrast each other so much. I got these in my original size, a size 4.5. I generally think my foot has grown because I always used to get size 4s in all my trainers, and now it's just coming to a point where I feel like I'm needing a size 4.5, sometimes I need a 5, and I'm just thinking like, is my foot growing? But I do not want my foot to grow anymore, because being able to fit into kids shoes and GS sizes. But yeah, the fact that these were a woman's release, I know a lot of guys that really wanted to get these as well, but obviously didn't have their sizing. With the trainers in the box, you also do get an extra pair of laces. You get like these rust pink ones. I actually think I'm gonna put rust pink in one of them and keep white in the other, just to mix it up a little. This was attached to the trainer, but I took it off and I don't know where the chain's gone, but obviously it comes with the little Jordan plastic tag, acrylic, whatever you want to call it. Comes with that too. These retail at £165. Resell these, I think it's pretty reasonable. I wouldn't say it's too crazy, but obviously in due time I think they will go up in price, because obviously it's a Jordan 3, one of the most talked about trainers within the sneaker industry. But yeah, if you're looking to get them, then honestly it is a really beautiful shoe. I couldn't fault them in any way. I say this about all my trainers, I don't actually want to wear these, but knowing me, an outfit will come along and I'll literally be like to myself, Caprice, just get the rust pinks out. But yeah, there's so many trainers that I spoke about on this channel where I've said I'm not gonna wear them, not gonna wear them, not gonna wear them, and what ends up happening, I wear them. So yeah, that is everything in today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I will be back with another video of all the latest trainers that I have picked up recently. I literally have them all in front of me and there's quite a fair few, so be sure to check out this video when it uploads. Obviously you're already watching it, so you'd be watching it. If you guys head over to my Instagram, I will leave it somewhere up on the screen, or it might already be on the screen. But yeah, if you guys follow up on my Instagram, you'll be able to see how I style all the trainers that I've picked up. I think I actually need to start showing you guys how I would style these trainers personally in these videos, just so you guys can have idea of how to wear them, and also like what colours you could wear with them too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the trainer. Please let me know in the comments below what you think to the trainer. Is it a cop? Is it a drop for you guys? And for you people out there that did purchase them, what do you think about them? Do you like them? Yeah, just let me know what you think to these trainers. Like, I would really like to know what you think about them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of today's video. I hope you guys go and enjoy the sun. I hope you've had a good bank holiday. By the time this video goes out, I think the bank holiday will be gone completely. But yeah, I hope you enjoy your day. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you later.